Hi, it's Whit Nixon here from Wicked Wellbeing, and if you're new to Wicked Wellbeing, I'm all about healthy eating made easy. And so today we're going to be making some banana oat cookies. They've got 5 ingredients in them and they are so easy and so moorish. So you either want to double the mixture or just be prepared for them not to reach the cupboards or the freezer. But before we get started, I just wanted to tell you about a 5-day live video Facebook series that I'm doing next week called Supercharge Your Kids' Lunchboxes. I know that we all struggle with lunchbox ideas, so what I'm going to be each day, I'm going to be bringing you different tips and resources, so covering things like different alternatives than sandwiches, because we all get stuck in the sandwich rut. And how to make them slightly healthier. So also time-saving tips and how to get your kids to be making their own lunch boxes. I'm going to be having, you can download a lunchbox guide. There's also ways to make your baking healthier. So my go-to ingredients that I swap out, there's a healthy swap out guide. And I'm doing a day on allergy-free baking, and then my favourite tools of the trade, and you'll be surprised at how simple those are. But the great thing is, there's a toolkit to go with it so that you don't have to take all screeds of notes. So if you want to join me on that series, then go to www.live.wickedwellbeing.com and you can download that toolkit, and then you can print it off and familiarise yourself, and then join me every day next week starting on Monday at 1:30 for the week. So let's get into this. So I've got here 2 medium bananas, so I'm just mashing those up. I've already mashed 1.5 of them, but often my kids will come back and say, I don't like that because it had too much banana texture. So I'm mashing these, not with these actually, they love these, but sometimes with muffins. So I'm mashing these really finely. I'll put that into my bowl. Then I have got 1 cup of rolled oats, and you could use ground almonds instead if you're gluten-free. So these are just fine Haraway's rolled oats. I've got 2 tablespoons of LSA, which is a mixture of ground almonds, linseed and sunflower seeds. And I also put pumpkin seeds into mine as well. And then 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then 1/2 cup of sugar-free chocolate drops. And if you haven't got the sugar-free ones, then just use normal ones. I do love the sugar-free ones though, and I've just chopped those up a bit. So you just mix this up, and as you can see, super easy. And then using a spoon, just put them onto a lined baking tray, and then just form them into you know, like cookie type things, and do whatever size that you want to do. And then you bake them at 200 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes, depending on the strength of your oven, how long things take. So I often make these, I'll just do one more and then I'll finish there. I often make these before the kids, you know, when they get home from school, get them out of the oven, and they're warm and they're just absolutely delicious. So there you go, 5 ingredient banana oat cookies. So don't forget, if you want to join me on my free Facebook Live Supercharge Your Kids' Lunchboxes video series next week, then download the free toolkit that you get to go with it at www.live.wickedwellbeing.com. Have an awesome rest of your afternoon, and would love to see any pics. If you make these, post them on my page, or if you've got any questions, please ask. Have an awesome afternoon.